Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today's example is how to import basic web data into Excel. We will be using the example table at ineedexamples.com, link in the description below. In your Excel worksheet, select cell A1. Select Data in your menu option and click on the From Web option. Select Basic for a basic table pool and enter the URL of the site that holds the web data table and click on OK. Once the information is loaded in the Navigator panel, you could click on each table to find the data you are looking for. In this case, it is Table 0. Click on Load, and you will see that the data from the website table is now in your worksheet. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you would like to see examples on a specific topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.